I've always been really interested in how my gifts and talents can be given back to God. I became a Christian at 30, and I wanted to know how I could serve Him that was unique to me. First of all, to bring me to a point of collaboration, He has to grow and change me. So He did this in 5 areas over a period of 10 years. As soon as I was baptized, He gave me this inner yearning for overseas mission. He gave me a drive to declutter my home. He told me to get out of debt. He showed me how important it was to explore my personality, my aptitudes, my spiritual gifts. Finally, He convicted me that it was my moral responsibility to cultivate the gifts and talents that He had given me. He says, I want you to work for yourself. I made $9,000 my first year, so don't think it's highfalutin. I'm playing business. I'm like, how do I charge? What do I do? I had been getting these crazy ideas about marketing, like really interesting ideas, and I wrote them all down. And I went to the Lord, I said, would you mind if I take them to a professional? I prayed before going in, and I said, Lord, if you want me to do mission work, or if you're helping me with these ideas, I want her to tell me that these are really great. And she said, I don't get this much detail from big businesses. You don't even need me. You could do this, this, or this. And I thought, you're the Lord of marketing. Who would have thought? He said, all the ideas that you've ever had in your life, I gave you every one of them. You can go anywhere in the world you want to go because I know it's a desire of your heart. Wherever you find yourself, I want you to donate your business services to my people in ministry by giving them half a working week, and they will look after you. If you do this, I will keep you on paying clients. I said, all right, Lord, you're on. I'll do it. He said, great, go sell everything.